Reshape the matrix. Given an m by n matrix and an integer row and column, consider a matrix with dimensions row and column, and reshape the original matrix into the new one by traversing through the rows and placing them in the new matrix, and same for the rest of the rows. And finally, return the new matrix. Now assume instead we were given the rows 2 and columns 4, and consider the matrix with those dimensions. We are not able to fully reshape the original matrix into the new one. If this is the case, then we return the original matrix. We will solve this in O of m times n time. First, consider this new example and the code below. If the original dimensions multiplied does not equal the new dimensions multiplied, then we cannot reshape the matrix, so we return the original matrix. In this case, we can reshape the matrix, so the first step is to flatten the original matrix and populate it with its data. Now we will have a pointer at the start of the list, and we will initialize our new matrix. We then iterate through the new row dimension, and we will start to build a row in our new matrix. We then have an inner loop to iterate through the columns, and we append the value at the index. And then we increment the index. Again, we append the value at the index to our row, and we increment the index. Once the length of the list equals the new column dimension, then we have finished creating a row in our new matrix. And so now we reset and build the next row. We append the value at the index to the list, and we increment the index. Again, we append the value to the list, and we increment the index. Once the length of the list equals the new column dimension, then we have created a new row in our matrix. And so now we reset to build the next row. We append the value at the index to our list, and we increment the index. We append the value to the list and increment the index. Once the length of the list equals the new column dimension, then we have built a new row in our matrix. At the very end, we return the new matrix. And here's the code to do so. Please like and follow for more.